Popular dancehall entertainer Vybz Kartel and his co-accused were just denied bail. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Dancehall star Vybz Kartel and two of the three accused were denied bail in the Supreme Court on Thursday. Supreme Court Judge Justice Andrea Thomas handed down the ruling a short while ago. In denying bail to the applicants, Thomas said that in absence of the verdict of the acquittal by the Privy Council, the murder charge remained in effect. In view of the fact that their appeal is not yet determined, they should remain in custody until their appeal is concluded. That is, until a verdict of acquittal is entered or there is a decision for a retrial, Thomas said. On Wednesday, members of the prosecution and the defense made arguments in Kartel habeas corpus case, which would have determined whether the artist would be given bail. Lawyers representing Vybz Kartel and two of his three accused filed a habeas corpus application seeking the release on Monday, May 14 because of issues the defense did not wish to disclose. The application follows the Privy Council's March 14 ruling that Vybz Kartel and his co-accused have their conviction overturned for the 2011 murder of Clive Lizard Williams. The Privy Council had ordered that the case be returned to Jamaica's Court of Appeal to decide whether a retrial is necessary for Vybz Kartel and his co-accused Sean Storm Campbell, Kahira Jones and Andre St. John. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and have more details to come on this in a subsequent newscast. Thanks for watching.